Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you some testing of the Vever chainsaw. This is a 68cc chainsaw with a 20-inch bar. Excellent price. You can check one out in the description below. But beware, because this is going to be a full video of chainsaw use only. So it is a few minutes of chainsaw use. Listen to how the saw runs. You can hear how it sounds. I have reduced the volume significantly. However, you should still be able to hear the motor clearly. So if you don't want to listen to chainsaw running, then you might not want to watch this video, or put your speakers on mute, because that is what it is going to be. You're going to listen and watch to see how this chainsaw runs.